I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Java and the GSD offline tool are installed. This prevents runtime failures. Once done, move the return files into the tool's designated input folder so the program can read them. Now launch the GSD offline application and navigate straight to the Error Report or Validation tab. This is where you'll run the first pass. Make sure to choose the correct financial period and return type before proceeding to the next step. You click Validate or Generate Error Report and let the tool parse the files. Validation flags schema, missing fields, and format mismatches. Once the scan completes, inspect the on-screen summary to see counts by error category, then open the detailed view for each error line to get field-level context. Make sure to expand nested entries and note the record ID and column names. This is how you map tool messages to your source file for precise fixes. You correct the source file entries using the error details, fix formats, add missing fields, or adjust headers, and save a new copy. Then rerun validation and confirm critical errors drop to 0 before exporting the clean file. If errors persist, make sure to clear the tool's cache, verify the column-to-field mapping, and confirm Java memory settings. These often resolve stubborn parsing issues. If nothing works, export the error log for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.